Whoa! Trying this on! Yes! Woo! This is Greg.
Hi. Video?
Yep.
Okay, hi.
This is Bing. Patrick.
And two more coming.
Nothing with the petrol. And two more coming over. The anchor ladies taking their own sweet time. Hello. This is Vanessa, and this is Sally. They're leaving. Greg looks very busy. Right at the spot. Let's start fishing. As you can see, it's a nice featureless seawall. Nice open sea. And everyone looks set for fishing. Yay! Greg is on. Greg is on. Let's see what fish that is. What's for the line? What's for your line? Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a perch. A perch. Nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Alright. That's a perch. It's a very close cousin of the Barramundi. Alright. If you look at it, yeah, it's like a short body Barramundi, yeah? Okay. What have you caught there?
Whoa.
Oh, you really caught it.
It's a perch.
Alright, it's a Wagyu
It's
perch.
like a short body sea bass, so Kimberly, you see.
Yeah, looks like a mini version of the Nile perch. Alright, what do you say to that?
ONZZ!
Say the word. What's that, man?
I don't know what is that, but it looks good.
It's a black sweetlip. So what do you say to that, man? Alright. Alright. On then, this is Barramundi. Whoa! Really nicely cooked. Oh. Okay, this is actually a Barramundi. I don't know why NTUC Fair Price calls it sea bass. It has nothing to do with a bass. There's no teeth, just sandpaper. Wow, just came off the hook. Alright, and that's a good one. Very good. We call it Kim Bak Lo here also. And let's see what else we've got. Okay, I've caught quite a few of these barramundi already. And you can see we've got a golden snapper also. Right? And lots of other fish. ONZZ. Oh man, the sky is turning black. Alright, we are running from some storm cloud. Raining, the sky has opened up. How, Sally? It's raining. Huh?
It's alright.
It's alright, right? Yeah. Nice place to hide from the rain. Looks like Vanessa's onto something. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, okay. On! Okay, now Greg is on the spot. I think he's anticipating a bite soon. Okay, drop him. Gary gets in on the action. What do we say to that?
On!
The reason why you call it Threadfin Salmon, as you can see, are these fins that look like threads right below. Okay, right? And of course the shape generally looks like a salmon, but we get them in the tropical waters of Singapore. If you look at their teeth, you'll notice that it's more like sandpaper, right? So if you are aiming for these type of fish, you can't use line that's too fine, or the sandpaper might just rub the line and snap the line in the end. Okay, Threadfin Salmon. Okay, the trick is to put the fish in a nice waterproof plastic bag, okay, and then put it in ice so that the fresh water doesn't get to the fish and spoil the taste of the meat.
Yeah, right. There's the boat right there.
Wow. ONZZ, let's take a look at the fish we've got. We've got Kim Bak Lo, Threadfin Salmon. Hi, good spread. Big fat Sweetlip, golden snapper, croaker, perch, another Threadfin Salmon, Barramundi, Wow! ONZZ! Alright, how's the trip?
Awesome!
Well done! Are you a loyal fisher? This segment is sponsored by Life Mineral Water. It really fills you with life. This segment is sponsored by Life and Cola. Alright?